Excuse me. Oh, it's wrong. Right, okay. Right, decimals degrade, so applying to both higher and foundation levels here. We've got two examples here of two decimals that you are expected to be able to multiply without a calculator. So in this case we've got 1.3 times 0.4, and in the second one we've got 0.04 times 12. Right, one of the easiest ways to think of it, there's many different ways to do it, is to think about how, if they were whole numbers, if that was 13 and that was 4, it would be no problem. So I'm going to make them 13 and 4. I'm going to make them 13 and 4. Now, when I change 1.3 into 13, I've increased it by a factor of 10. So I've times that by 10 to get 13. Okay, here, when I go from 0.4 to 4, again, I've increased by a factor of 10. So my answer, 13 times 4, which is 4 times 10, 4 times 3, which is 52. Okay, my answer is going to be 10 times bigger, and 10 times bigger than that, so it's 10 times 10 is 100 times bigger. This answer here is 100 times bigger than it should be. So then to get the actual answer, what these multiplied would be, I divide it by 100. So I divide it by 100 to get my actual answer, and that's going to be back once, back twice, 0.52, 0.52. If I type it in on the calculator, you'll have to trust me, it works. Right, on the second one, similar case with the exception of the 12 doesn't need manipulating here, but the 0.04 does. If it was 4 times 12 I could do it, so what I need is 4 times 12. Now, another way of thinking about it is, right, if that's 4 times 12, nothing's happened here, but over here I've multiplied that 4 by 100 this time. Okay, if it was 0.4 and that became 4, that would be multiplied by 10. Here it's been multiplied by 100. So my answer is 4 times 12, which is 48, but it's 100 times bigger than it should be. So I'm going to have to cancel that, and I'm going to get back once, back twice, 0.48. So the actual answer to this is 0.48. All I've done is I've made this number larger to make it convenient to work out. Okay, then I can work out what the actual character of the number looks like, and then I just compensate for the magnitude.